SC Johnson, a family company.
Good evening, Miss Lowe's class. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Benjamin Bailey.
And I'm Russell Johnson. Here's what's going on in the Katy area today.
Today, a local man almost died from a lemonade scandal.
Apparently, a man by the name of Jimmy Conway was selling what appeared to be lemonade, but was actually carborane, also known as the super acid.
Little known fact, carborane is the world's strongest acid. It can be very fatal if consumed.
Police reported they caught him and sentenced him to life in prison. What a shame.
Sick, truly sick.
Truly sick.
In other news, a freak accident occurred in a high school today, where hydrochloric acid and phosphoric acid were accidentally mixed. Some of the mixture got on a student's fingers. That boy is now fingerless.
The mixture can alter any organic material and even corrode steel. Steve Croft is on the scene.
It all started with a simple lab demonstration. The teacher asked young Austin Mail to hold up a beaker for him. Inside the beaker was hydrochloric and phosphoric acids. As many of you know, phosphoric acid is a ternary acid. A ternary acid is an acid containing an H or O ion. And with just one slip, the beaker fell and cracked on the desk. The liquid poured into his fingers and he was immediately sent to the hospital. With me, I have Bernice Flynn, classmate of Austin. Can you tell me what happened?
Well, you see, there's this guy named Austin, and, all of a sudden, he was holding the beaker, and then, he must have got a cramp in his hands or something, and next thing I know, it's just, he's on the ground, freaking out, and, his hands, all weird. I don't know.
So what are you learning?
We were learning about, acids and bases, and how strong bases dissociate completely in water and consist of H2SO4, HNO3, HCl, and so much more. And how weak bases only partially dissociate in water.
Interesting. So what happened after the beaker fell?
The liquid dripped onto his fingers, and then it was all this weird stuff happening to his it was fizzing almost. It was ew.
Well, there you have it. I'm Steve Croft, Channel 4 News. Back to you, Benjamin.
Just sad.
What a shame. What a shame.
Terrible. Anyways, today a local fireworks stand closed down due to excessive hydrochloric acid in their fireworks. Hydrochloric acid has an average concentration of 2 on the pH scale, but in this case was at a 1 and had way too much concentration in the firework.
The manager shot one of them off, and it nearly had the effects of a bomb. 3 were wounded, 4 severely injured. But doctors say they should all have a full recovery.
The Texans this year have scheduled 8 home games this year, but now looks like there will be 0. Jerome has the story.
Well, the acid dichloromethane, also known as narcotil, is an organic acid compound that is immiscible. Now, miscible means that when added to an element, it will not form a homogeneous mixture. Dichloromethane is responsible for the paint. Well, the paint the Texans ordered had none of it in them, so they were unable to paint the lines for the game. Ergo, no field. So until the field gets painted, it doesn't look like there's going to be any game played at the stadium today.
Well, that's no good for the Katy area.
Nope, no it is not.
Well, it's that time again.
Right you are. Let's head over to Leslie with the weather.
Thanks, Ben. Today are high chances of rain. There will be loads of water pouring down. Water is located 7 on the pH scale, making it neutral. It's completely polar, and it's so polar because of the difference in electronegativity between its hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Also, there's a 20% chance of storms and a 40% chance of a cold front. Back to you, Ben.
Thanks, Leslie, for that update. Wow, you're really getting wet.
Ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. A chemical plant has just exploded. Steve Croft is standing by.
Hello, Russell. I'm standing in front of the Hello Kitty power plant where it appears to be blown up with hydrosulfuric acid streaming down the line. This isn't good, you see. Hydrosulfuric acid is a binary acid, which means it is a hydrogen element mixed with a nonmetal, making it hazardous waste. Authorities alert everyone to stay clear of this place. Reporting live for Channel 4 News, I'm Steve Croft signing off.
Well, there you have it, folks. From all of us here at Channel 4 News, I'm Russell Johnson. Thanks for tuning in.
And I'm Benjamin Bailey. You stay classy, Miss Eller's class.